NetMeds Honest Review. Watch before using. In this video, we're doing a no-nonsense review of NetMeds, an online pharmacy and health store. You'll find links to the products mentioned in the description below. NetMeds claims to offer a wide range of prescription and over-the-counter medications, as well as wellness products. It's designed for people who want the convenience of getting their medicines delivered directly to their door, whether it's for a recurring prescription or simply for buying wellness products like vitamins and supplements. One of NetMeds' key features is the ease of use. Their website is clean, and the process for ordering medication is straightforward. You can upload a prescription, and their system will verify it with a registered doctor. This adds a level of safety that many online pharmacies lack. They offer competitive pricing and often have discounts or subscription services for repeat orders, making it budget-friendly for long-term use. Their customer support is available, and they have a track record of fast delivery, typically within 2 to 3 days. However, while their product range is extensive, it's important to note that NetMeds doesn't always carry every brand or medication available in a brick-and-mortar pharmacy, so you might find some limitations depending on what you need. Also, the delivery service is not available everywhere, so check if they operate in your area before making an order. Overall, NetMeds is a reliable option for buying medications online, but it's not without a few minor drawbacks. If you value convenience and don't mind the occasional product limitation, it's a great service. But for those with very specific needs or areas with limited delivery service, it might not always be the best choice. Make sure to check their availability and product stock before committing.